Welcome to Shannon's Big World 2019 Today's video. It's my EAS scenario number 10. It's called My 9th Birthday's Near, and I'm going to destroy the world for my birthday. That's my gift. And once again, you know the rules. This scenario could cause my own EAS foul challenge, so it would have been really rare if it were in real life. And also, I haven't done a scenario in a while. And here are more rules about this. Do not copyright claim this, otherwise you get a copyright strike without no warning at all. That sucks. And do not play this in the air, especially if you live in areas like Abingdon, Maryland. If this scenario takes place in Abingdon, Maryland. Alright guys, this will be a mini scenario, but I would just call it EAS scenario anyways. Whatever, let's just start anyways. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his designated representatives will be speaking on all news stations shortly. Please stand by. I repeat, please stand by for this message. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Ba, 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 ba. The message I'm about to give you is operations to be played by myself, United States government, the United States Department of Defense, and NASA, plus the O'Brien family. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a global crisis at 11:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, located in Abingdon, Maryland. A boy named Shannon O'Brien with his mother, Stephanie O'Brien, and his dad, Greg O'Brien, were frightened because he was going to take all over the world. He is going to put nuclear bombs all over the world in each city and capital all over the world in the next 10 minutes. This is a very life-threatening situation where you not survive. All life will become exchanged for good. At this time, gather with your family members, including Shannon's mom and dad, and race for the end. Once Shannon destroys the world, he will go and eat on the entire universe. He will now play our U.S. national anthem. May God bless everybody in the world. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, what say can you say? Little light, when the brown we made way up, da. Oh, we say, can you see? Little light, when the brown we made way up, da. Oh, the can you say, "10 minutes later, I/me destroyed the world with nuclear bombs. I was the evilest I can be for my birthday. I was even more evil than the devil, because I destroyed the world. He didn't. He just went straight to hell. Yep. But that's not real, guys. Don't worry. Don't panic. That's totally fake. That's 100% fake. Not even 1% real. So that's good. That's good, guys. At least like 5 days from now, this won't be happening to you guys and the entire world. But don't worry, guys. It's not gonna happen at all. Not even today. So that's good. We're safe. Yeah, still wish me happy birthday, though, because I'm good. Not evil, like devil. But I am good like Jesus. Yeah. I'm blessed. I'm kissing Jesus. I love you, Jesus. I hate you, devil. Whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave comments down below. And press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. And I want to see who.